In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your first live stream on Twitch. So we're going to walk through setting up a Twitch account really quick. Then we're going to download and install OBS Studio so that you can use something to stream with. And then we're going to set up OBS Studio just at a very basic level so that you can start streaming today. So the first step, I'm going to switch over to my desktop. So you're going to see me switch to the bottom right corner down here. Watch down here. Okay, you can see me. And the first step is to go and set up a Twitch account. So you'll go to your browser and go to twitch.tv. And in the top right corner, at least as of today, you can click sign up, and you're just going to create an account the same way you've created any other accounts in your life online. Set it up, and when you're done, you can close it. You don't even need to open it again. Then the next thing you're going to do is go and get OBS. So OBS is the tool you use to set up what you're actually streaming. There's a couple of tools to do that, but we're going to use OBS. So go to obsproject.com. Choose your platform. We're going to do Windows, but you can also use Mac and Linux. Save the installer. Wherever your downloads go, you're going to go ahead and just run that thing that you just downloaded, and it will run the installer. Go ahead and click next. You can just click next. You can just go and just keep clicking next and then install, because the defaults are fine for this. And when it finishes, you can go ahead and launch it. So on Windows anyway, it's going to let us launch it right when it's done. So go ahead and click finish and it will open up. And when it launches, it should prompt you to do this auto configuration. And this is to make it super easy. We're going to do this. So it'll automatically set itself up for your specific computer and your internet connection so that it works the best. So go ahead and click yes. You can choose to optimize for streaming or for recording. Just go ahead and, we're doing this for streaming. So obviously click the first one and click next. Video settings, it should be defaulting to whatever your monitor is. 1920 by 1080 is fine. And either 60 or 30 for frames per second. That's fine. Then it's going to let you connect to the Twitch account that you should have just created. So you can also stream to YouTube or Facebook, but we're just going to do Twitch for now. Go ahead and click connect account, and it will open the Twitch login page. And you should be able to just log in with the account that you created in the last step. And you click OK, and it will connect, and it should connect to your account fine. Then you click next. And then what it's going to do is try to decide, or it's going to try to figure out how your computer should connect to Twitch for the best settings. So then when it's done, it will tell you all the settings that it's going to use. You might have to tweak these later, but usually it does a good job to figure out what the best settings are for streaming. So you can go ahead and click apply. Then it's going to instantly open up streaming tools. So you have a window for your stream information on the left. And this is what you would type in for the title of your stream. And it's actually what people will see if they're searching for you. So if this is your first stream, you might say my first stream. And then you pick a category, like just chatting, and then click update information. And that will actually update on twitch.com. So if you've ever seen other people streaming on Twitch or got notifications on your phone about somebody streaming, this is what will show up. And then on the right, you have your chat. So this is what you're going to use when you're streaming. If people are watching your stream and they chat with you, this is how you interact with them over here. In the middle here is where the action is. So this is how you set up what you're actually streaming to your viewers. So on the left panel, you have scenes, and actually I'm going to jump over to my laptop. So you're going to see me in the top corner here in just a second. This is going to trip you out for a little bit, trip you up for a little bit here because you're looking into a mirror. But what you're seeing here is that this is actually, I'm actually using OBS to record this video. So you can use OBS to stream, but you can also use it just to record your screen. So I'm using it for that. If you look in the bottom left here, you'll see my scenes, and these are just how you can set up different configurations. So you noticed how I jumped from over here, which is my desktop, and then I clicked, and then I jumped over here to my laptop. And then if I click this middle one, just camera and mic, you'll see it's just my camera and mic. So that's how you can set these up and then switch between them while you're on stream. Then your sources, this is actually the data sources for what you're streaming. So you can see I have Audio Technica mic, which is this mic here. Then I have DSLR, which is my webcam. And then display capture is my actual desktop. So you're going to do that for your first stream. So you're going to right click in this sources box, go to add, and then let's just say you're going to stream your webcam and your microphone. So go ahead and add a video capture device. Name it webcam or whatever you're using. If you're using a separate camera, but we'll just do webcam. Now it's going to open up a dialog box that will let me pick my webcam. And this is going to look kind of weird for a second. My laptop that I'm using right now it's one of those laptops that folds and flips, and I have it flipped upside down. So my laptop's webcam is upside down. So that's why you can see that. So this dialog will open up, and then you'll pick your camera from this list, and then everything else should be default. You can click OK. And I'm going to remove this because it's freaking me out. And then you want to add a microphone so people can hear you. So you're going to right click again in sources, go to add, and then go to audio input capture. And we'll just call that mic. And then this window will pop up, and you're just going to pick your microphone. So I'll pick my laptop's mic. When you pick it, you should see it show up in the audio mixer in this middle. And you'll see, you might be hearing double right now, but you'll see you should be seeing green if it's actually working. But I'm going to delete that. So then you've got your webcam set up, you've got your microphone set up, so you should be ready to go. What you see in the center here is what you're going to be streaming. And the last step is just to click start streaming. So I'm not going to do that because I don't want to go live right now, but as soon as you click it, down here in the bottom, this live indicator will turn green and it will start counting. Just like you can see, I'm recording now, so it's the recording side's counting. So that's it. You click that, you're live, and you can share your Twitch URL to whoever wants to watch your stream, and you can start interacting with your viewers in chat. And that's it. Easy as that. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll definitely try to answer them. But that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.